Here's your temporary ID. You'll stick this on your uniform when we get to that.
Here he is.
Who's this?
My fiance.
Yeah? Good luck with that.
Excuse me?
My name is Piper Chapman. I carried a suitcase of drug money once, 10 years ago.
Shut your mouth and stand still.
I wasn't ready.
Tough shit. Next.
Looks like we throwing a party. Can we look out for our own?
March your yuppie ass out of my kitchen.
Wow! How am I supposed to prison fight an old Russian lady with back problems?
I have a prison wife. Did she rape you? She held my hand.
Chocolate and vanilla swirl.
Look at you, Blondie. What'd you do?
I read that you're not supposed to ask that.
Well, you studied for prison?
Surviving here is all about perspective. There's rules in this place. The second you're perceived as weak, you already are.
Nobody's gonna hit you harder than life. Not a guard, not a gangster, not even your wife.
You have to get broken down to get raised back up.
These women are criminals. You remind them who's in charge.
I'm scared that I'm not myself in here, and I'm scared that I am.